In this episode, I am going to share with you 10 exciting new things that you're going to find on the Carnival Mardi Gras that no other Carnival cruise ship has. That's coming up. Okay, let's talk about the Carnival Mardi Gras. First of all, this ship is going to be amazing. It's going to be the largest one in Carnival's fleet, and I have discovered 10 new things that Carnival is going to debut on this ship that no other Carnival cruise ship has. So let's get right into it. So number one, let's talk about these new Excel suites that Carnival is rolling out. I think these suites are going to be absolutely amazing. They have the most interior room of any cabin on the ship. They also have balconies, but then they also come with all kinds of extra perks if you want to book an Excel suite. Here's some of the perks that you get when you book an Excel suite. You can get guaranteed reservations at most specialty dining. You get a wine and a fruit bowl when you check into your cabin. You get room service. You get a complimentary bottomless bubbles package. You get upgraded bathroom amenities. You get on-demand movies. You get a coffee maker. You get laundry services. You get a guaranteed main dining time. Unlimited access to Loft 19, which we'll talk about in just a minute. And you may ask, hey, if I want to book one of these Excel suites, how much is this going to cost me? Well, it starts out, you can book one of the lower Excel suites for around $5,700 for 2 people. That's on the low end, but it goes up quite a bit from there. So, but these Excel suites, they're going to be amazing. You should definitely check them out. So let's talk about number 2. I talked about Loft 19. This is a new concept that Carnival has added, and it's basically going to be a private retreat area for not everybody on the ship, but just a select few people. So what is this Loft 19 going to have? It's going to have its own private pool. It's going to have a full bar. It's going to have these big, awesome cabanas, lots of lounge chairs. Well, who can get into Loft 19, you may ask? Well, anybody that books an Excel suite, or you can also get into Loft 19 if you book a cabana. All right, let's go into number 3. And that is, we're going to talk about the changes that we're going to see in all cabins. All cabins are going to have some nice new upgrades that I think cruisers are really going to like. First of all, they're going to have extra storage. They're going to have some little cubbies that you can put things in. The closets are going to be redone a little bit to have more sliding drawers and stuff like that. There's going to be more USB ports, which we all know. Yes, we need more of those. There's going to be a bedside reading lamp, so you can turn those on and not have to turn on all the lights in the cabin. There's going to be a new bathroom design with a sliding glass door and some different upgrades there. And then they also talked a lot about their flip sofa that will turn into a bed at night, and that looks really nice. It's super easy. Pull it out with one hand and you turn it into a bed. So those are some great amenities. And also, I do want to say, we are super excited. Jason and I are going to be sailing on the inaugural cruise, February 6, 2021. We are going to be covering everything. We're going to be going live. We're going to be covering the ship from top to bottom. So if you're interested in the Mardi Gras, you love cruising, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, because you don't want to miss any of this content, because we're so excited about bringing this to you. Okay, so number 4, we're going to have a new fine dining restaurant called Emeril's Bistro. $13.96, and it's named after Emeril Lagasse, and it's going to have a New Orleans feel. It's going to be located in the French Quarter zone of Mardi Gras. It's going to be a specialty dining restaurant, so it will be an extra charge if you would like to participate in this. And it is going to be open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and it's going to be located on deck number 6. Number 5 is a section that Carnival is calling Street Eats. Now, this whole section is going to be complimentary, and the idea is kind of to be walking along the street and maybe purchase something from like a food truck, but the good news is you don't have to purchase it because it's free. So Street Eats is going to be located on deck number 16, and they're going to have 3 separate sections, and each section is going to focus on a different type of cuisine. And so the first type of cuisine they're going to have is they're going to focus on steamed foods. They'll have stuff like bao buns and sumai, and they have another section that's going to focus on skillet foods. So some of those might include kebab and saute. And then the third section they're going to have is going going to be focused on some fried foods like favorite empanadas. And so all of this will be on deck 16 at the Lido deck. It is complimentary, so and it is lunch only. Okay, number 6, I'm super excited about. It's Big Chicken, and it is based on Shaq's Chief Fun Officer. Everything chicken is going to be here. We are actually going to put a menu in our Facebook group, so if you'd like to look at the full menu, come and join us in our group and it will be listed there. But some of the things they'll be serving is, of course, chicken sandwiches and chicken strips and chicken baskets. And another thing I'm really excited about is they're actually going to be serving breakfast. So you can get, you know, your chicken biscuits in the morning, and the really cool thing is they're going to serve breakfast foods all the way up until 3:00 p.m. They'll also serve lunch in there as well, but if you just really want that chicken biscuit, you can get it all the way till 3 p.m. So super excited about this. Definitely make sure to go check that out, and that is complimentary. Number 7 is a fine dining restaurant called Rudy's Sea Grill, and Rudy's Sea Grill was the brainchild of Rudy Sadaman. This is a fine dining experience that you don't want to miss. They're going to be serving seafood with a twist, so you can actually get your meal, and when it comes out, certain meals can be in the shape of a face. So super fun. Gotta try it. That's going to be on deck 8, and again, that one will be an additional cost if you want to participate. Number 8 is Carnival is debuting 6 distinctive areas on the ship, and each one of those distinctive areas is going to have food, decor, and activities that are focused around the theme of that area. You've got Grand Central, French Quarter, La Piazza, Summer Landing, Lido, and the Ultimate Playground. 6 different areas, 6 fun, exciting new things to try out on the show. Number 9, super excited about this one. I think this one's going to be a whole lot of fun. They are going to be debuting Family Feud. So on every sailing, Matt Mitchum is going to host 4 live Family Feud game shows. Now, if you want to be a participant on the game show, grab your team of 5, and they're actually going to have auditions. So you have to go to the audition, and if you're picked, then you'll be able to get to participate in a live Family Feud. Sounds like a whole lot of fun. And number 10, the thing I'm probably most excited about on the Carnival Mardi Gras is the Carnival Bolt. It is the first roller coaster at sea. This is going to be amazing. I cannot wait to try it out. This is an all-electric roller coaster, so the really cool thing about it is that you can control the speed. So if you don't want to go super fast, you don't have to go super fast, but I believe if you like speed, I think it goes up to 40 miles an hour. And you have views of 180 feet above sea level. This is going to be so much fun. Everybody's been talking about this, and so we can't wait to try it out. So question of the day, what are you most excited about experiencing on Mardi Gras? It's all gonna be fabulous, but make sure you chime in below. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. Thanks for watching, and God bless.